handcuffing violates the right equality, Article 14. My first sub-contention, discriminatory classification. The distinction between better class and ordinary prisoner for handcuffing is arbitrary and violate equality before the law. My second sub-contention is disproportionate blanket handcuffing of ordinary prisoner, disproportionate and lack rational connection to preventing escape or violence.
Learned Council could you explain how Article 14, Article 19 and Article 21 relate to the case?
Yes, my lord. My lord, handcuffing a person unless strictly necessary according to stabilized legal procedure violate their fundamental right under Article 14, Article 19, Article 21 of the Indian Constitution. Article 14 ensure equality and prohibit arbitrary treatment. Article 19 guarantee freedom of movement, and Article 21 protect the fundamental right to life and personal liberty. My lord, my third contention is, my lord, can you see this? My lord, my further third contention is that insufficient justification for security measures. My lord, last resort, handcuffs are an extreme measure, not routine, and less restrictive alternative existed. My lord, lack of recorded reason. Handcuffing requires specific recorded reason.
Would like to seek the permission of the court to pardon the case for other conditions. Lordship, my second condition whether the classification of prisoners is based on national criteria or not. Mitigating security risk, differentiating security level based on factors like violence history or nature of offense is a valid rationale and not purely discriminatory. The distinction thought followed in the application is based on practical risk assessment considerations.
Learned Council, wait a minute. Is handcuffing mandatory? Stop the accused for escape.
Lordship, handcuffs should not be used routinely. Handcuffing should only be applied in cases where there is a compelling security reasons. Lordship, according to rule number 26.22 read with rule 26.21a of the Punjab Police Rule 1934. Lordship, kindly see this. Draw a distinction between better class, under trial prisoners and ordinary under trial prisoner 35A basis for determining who should be handcuffed and who should not be, as I have observed the principle for a classification should be defined by the need to prevent the prisoner escaping from custody or becoming violent. The social status of a person, his education and habit of life associated with superior mode of living seem to me to be intended to protect his dignity of person. Lordship, my third contention is whether the balancing of rights and state interest. My first sub-contention, no absolute right. Prisoner rights are not absolute and are subject to reasonable restrictions. Detained person have limited freedom of movement. Lordship, my second sub-contention, procedure of security. State interest in public safety and preventing escape outright individual claim to freedom from restraint escaping with risk of pride of harm. Lordship, my fourth contention is compliance with legal prisoners. Procedure established by the handcuff use was in accordance with established rules and departmental order considered part of the procedure established by the law. Lordship.
Your Lordship, the Learned Council would like to seek the permission of the court to come as co-counsel release the party for rebuttal round.
Indeed.
Learned Council, I would like to seek the permission of the court to release my place.
The council would like to seek the permission to release respect and call my co-counsel Advocate Arvind Nissan for advance argument.
You may.
But
file a case under habeas corpus of writ petition, and when he was transit from the jail to the prisoner jail to the court, there was no dignity harm.
My lord, I would like to tell the court, I was not talking about when my client is in the van of the policeman. The dignity were harmed when my client will come out of the van in front of the court and there were many people. So my client's dignity were harmed.
My lordship, he was saying that his client dignity was harmed when he was when he was going to jail. I would like to recall that when he was committing a crime, then there was no dignity of harm, and there was no question that his dignity was harmed when the trial was happening. What?
My lord, my incompetent friend may forget that this is already Supreme Court mentioned that if under Article 21, it is the right to a prisoner, even a prisoner, to live with a dignity.
Objection, Your Lordship. Objection overruled.
To live with a dignity.
Your Lordship, Article 21, which stated that no person shall be deprived from his life and personal liberty except the provisional by law. And this, the term accused was not used, and the prisoner term was not used.
That's my point, my lord. He said that no person shall be. In no person, my client will also fall in it. No person shall be deprived of it, life and
Your
personal
Lordship,
liberty.
objection, Your Lordship. There is no any. My friend has beating behind the bushes, and there was no any accused who was using that terms of Article 21.
My lord, I would like to quote a case. Kindly see this. Sunil Batra versus Delhi administration. In this case, Supreme Court has clearly mentioned that routinely handcuffing of a prisoner is inhuman and treating him like a inhuman. And even the prisoners have the right to live with the dignity.
Your Lordship, I would also like to state the case. Kindly see the Vinay Kumar Pandey versus Ram Saini, which was said in this case, the High Court laid down that the police can use every means to stop the prisoner, and the hand stop was used for that.
Objection, my lord.
If he really believes that his dignity was harmed, then why he commit such heinous crime, which was my incompetent friend already discovered that a better class prisoner, which was a term as heinous crime.
That's my point, my lord. He said that heinous crime, but Supreme Court already clearly mentioned that even prisoners have the right to live with a dignity. He is right in objection, my lord.
Maintain the decorum of the court.
Objection, Your Lordship. Where is this using any prisoner? There is no any prisoner regarding that, which was said my incompetent friend.
My lord, I would good time. लगता है ये यूट्यूब से सीख के आया है. I have already clarified that the Supreme Court
He was beating around the bushes and trying to mold the case. There is no any case about the dignity of the
Bolo,
prisoners,
which one came to
Shukla, and he was already saying that he was watching the YouTube video. What is this? It is about the case, not a proper this kind of playing ground. He was